I truly have seen a difference in our visibility on Google and online in general.
We're seeing better and better results every week with constant efforts of Yassine and the Social Market Way team.
We love Social Market Way team.
Revolution Solar is a local solar installer. We install systems throughout DC and Maryland. It is very important for Revolution Solar to be found online. Just the way the world is today, everything is online. On the Google search function, we need to definitely come up as a premium result when people are searching for their solar panel needs.
Before working with Yassine and the Social Way team, I would say we didn't really have a clear plan or strategy put in place to have optimal search engine optimization. Yassine and the Social Market Way team have done a lot for our company. We have check-ins bi-weekly where we discuss certain keywords and ranking reports to see how our company is doing online, and those frequent check-ins definitely make our visibility online more strong.
Yassine and the Social Market Way team have been great in being responsive to our needs and helping us overcome all the different issues that come up in today's market, in improving our website, in creating and working with our blogs, in suggesting novel ways to improve our online presence. So overall, he's done a great job. We've tried other companies in the past, and we've really found a great fit with Yassine and the Social Market Way team. We love Social Market Way team.